In the depths beneath the earth lies a realm shrouded in mystery and darkness. Today, we unveil the truth about Hades, the often misunderstood deity of the Greek pantheon, the collector of souls, and the guardian of the afterlife. After the Olympians triumphed over Cronus, the reign of the Titans ended, giving rise to the era of the Olympian gods. Hades, alongside his brothers Zeus and Poseidon, divided the cosmos. Zeus took the heavens, Poseidon claimed the seas, and Hades, the eldest of the trio, became the ruler of the underworld. Hades' domain, often referred to by his own name, was a realm unlike any other. Encircled by 5 rivers, each with its own symbolic meaning, it was a place where the souls of the departed journeyed. The Acheron, Cocytus, Phlegethon, Styx, and Lethe each played a role in the passage of souls. Guarding the entrance stood Cerberus, the formidable 3-headed hound, allowing souls to enter but never leave. Hades' palace stood deep within this realm, a structure of unimaginable wealth, reflecting the riches that lay beneath the earth. Among the most famous myths associated with Hades is his marriage to Persephone. Persephone became the underworld queen in a tale of desire and compromise, spending part of the year with Hades and the rest with her mother, Demeter. This cycle gave birth to the seasons as we know them. Hades, often seen on his ebony throne, was a god of many contrasts, dark yet just, stern yet fair. Unlike the other Olympians, he rarely left his shadowy kingdom, firmly standing as the judge of the dead. Hades was not the god of death that title belonged to Thanatos, but he was the final judge, ensuring the deceased received their due. In modern portrayals, Hades is often cast as a villain, misrepresenting his true nature. He was one of the most just deities who presided over the afterlife with a balance of fairness and firmness. His story is a reminder of the complexity and depth of Greek mythology. If you are fascinated by the myths and legends of deities like Hades, please like, share, and subscribe to join us in exploring these rich stories.